Modern bulldozer production begins with high-strength steel sheets, precisely cut using laser or plasma cutters. The main frame is robotically welded to ensure maximum structural integrity. CNC machines mill and shape key components like blade arms, tracks, and engine mounts. The bulldozer's undercarriage is one of the most complex assemblies, supporting extreme loads. Track shoes, rollers, and sprockets are heat-treated for superior durability. Each bulldozer track can consist of over 80 heavy steel links, assembled on automated lines. Hydraulic cylinders that control the blade are tested under extreme pressure to ensure no leaks. The engine compartment is pre-assembled separately, then integrated into the main chassis. Most bulldozers use turbocharged diesel engines for high torque and fuel efficiency. Factories use robotic arms for precision welding and part placement. The cab assembly includes soundproof insulation, ergonomic controls, and climate systems. Each cabin undergoes a vibration and noise test to ensure operator comfort. The hydraulic system is assembled with microfiltration to prevent contamination. Bulldozer blades are curved and reinforced, designed to handle massive soil pressure. Factories use automated paint booths that spray anti-corrosion primer and industrial enamel. Color curing ovens dry the paint uniformly for a glossy, weather-resistant finish. Heavy-duty hydraulic hoses and fittings are pressure tested before installation. Each bulldozer is equipped with GPS and smart controls for modern precision grading. The transmission and torque converter are assembled with micron-level accuracy. Every major assembly passes through X-ray or ultrasonic inspection to detect hidden defects. Electrical harnesses are custom-fitted and secured with protective casings. Factories use 3D scanners to verify that all dimensions meet strict tolerances. The cooling system is designed to perform even under desert-like conditions. Hydraulic and electronic systems are synchronized by computer calibration. Workers use exoskeleton assist suits in some factories to lift heavy components safely. Bulldozers go through a rolling test line, simulating rough terrain and pushing resistance. Engineers check blade control response, engine load, and hydraulic smoothness. Final assembly areas include safety inspection zones before shipping. Every unit is barcode tracked through the entire production process. The production floor is managed with AI-driven logistics systems for efficiency. Some Korean and Japanese bulldozer factories produce up to 15,000 units per year. Environmental testing chambers expose bulldozers to heat, cold, and moisture extremes. Fuel efficiency and emission tests are mandatory before export.